Dear colleagues, welcome to my presentation. Here I'm going to talk about introduction for 2017-2018 academic year, introduction to programming C# course. First of all, I must give you the brief information about my office. My office telephone number is, as you see on the screen, 457-2410, and my email is e.senurek@vistula.edu.pl. You can come and visit me in my office 119 on Mondays between 1 to 2:30 to discuss about your academic issues or to discuss about some other issues. If you would like to come and visit me, you're welcome. Other than those office information, the textbook that I am going to follow is Halbert Schild is the author, C# 4.0, the complete reference. You can read it there. If you would like to see what am I going to teach during the semester, you must check the syllabus in USOS, and the other information will be in Moodle as well. Moodle and USOS together, you can check. Anyway, let's start now. The next part here, I must give you the brief information about Vistula.edu.pl. I'm going to show you just now. If you write here i.vistula.edu.pl, as you see on the screen, you can have some buttons here. One of them is Plan, the other one is Moodle, the last one is USOS Web, which are important for you. I will just show you all of them one by one. When you press Plan, the screen opens. Here is plan of our programs. As you see, when you click, another plan comes. Anyway, I just came there directly, and from here you can search your groups from the student set. Your group is C, let me write in capital letters, C for computer, I for inżynierski in Polish, so I for engineering, 1 for first semester, S for full-time, it's coming from in Polish, E for English. When you just press enter as a filter, as you see on the list, CISE/1212222, these are the group numbers. You are assigned one of those group numbers, and if you would like to see your plan, you are going to select, for example, /1, and from this part you are going to select the week, this week, next week, or winter semester, Monday to Sunday, from 8 o'clock to 8 o'clock, and timetable. When you click, as you see on the screen, unfortunately, because of the system, they couldn't change the name of the days. Poniedziałek is for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and it carries on Saturday and Sunday. All details are here. For example, from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock on Monday, on those dates, in Aula 6, Introduction Database course, this is the course code, this is the ECTS, and it's going to be a lecture, because week what means lecture, given by Mr. Edip Senurek. Information is here. So like this, from 11 to 1 o'clock, those are the days and those are the informations. Like this, all plan of yours are available there. Of course, if you have any problem, we do have Office 112 to fix your planning problems. So next step from now is Moodle. Moodle is very important platform for Vistula, because we have some courses which are library training. The other one is BHP. Those courses are done by the students. I'm just going to come here. To open here is Moodle. How did I come here? By clicking from iVistula, this Moodle button. When I click here, it opens. When I open this part, it's in Polish, but you can of course change it to English, as you see here. Here you have to log in on the corner, as you see. When you click login button, we are in Vistula Academy Finance e-Business Vistula University, or as get here. So we are in this Academy Finance e-Business Vistula University. When you click here, it's going to ask you from Central Authentication Service System. You are going to write username that you got from recruitment office. Somehow, if you forget your password, you can choose English here. If you forget your password, you can ask to ICT help. Now I'm going to tell you. So it's going to log in now. Meantime, let me write one message for you, which is, if you have any technical problem, ICT help at vistula.edu.pl is ready to help you for password issues, for USOS issues, for whatever it is. Okay, so as you see, my name came here, so we are in Moodle, and I just converted to English. Then here there are courses and my courses, as you see here, and from here we are going to click courses to see the list of all courses. Sometimes it appears here, sometimes it appears at the bottom. That's search course. When you click that search course, what you would like to do is library training. When you click go, as you see in the list, library training comes, and from now on you are going to click on this library training, and then you are going to click, I'm not going to do it, but you are going to click to enroll me button. When you click enroll me button, so you can enroll the library training, and you can start to read through the documents, and then you can do the online exam, and then you can finish that library training course. It doesn't have any ECTS points, but it's obligatory course, so without finishing this library course you cannot graduate. So that's why it's better to make it at the beginning of the year. That's why it's important. The next course was about, as I mentioned, BHP. When you write BHP, again some sort of courses coming, as you see here. It seems, if you just check through, there are some Polish and English ones, and then yeah, okay, BHP, yeah, should be this one. When you click here, again you are going to click enroll me, and then you will follow. Okay, you can check either of it, maybe that or this. Okay, anyway, you can enroll any course you want. So beside that, some teachers, for example me, in the course list they are putting some presentations into Moodle. For example, introduction to programming. When you say introduction to programming, as you see here, it's coming on the screen, and you can see here introduction to programming, and then when you click this button, it's going to show you all details about it. Okay, all details about what? All details about introduction to programming C# course, with the presentations, with the messages, with the syllabus, with everything. Okay, so you can join there. Of course, it's going to ask you a enrollment key. When it asks you enrollment key, then you are going to write heart, because it's my surname, part of my surname. I'm going to write here heart is going to be your password. Like this, you are going to join to introduction to database as well, again in English, again courses, Again, you can search introduction to database, and then same type, you can just click here, and then you can see all details. If it asks enrollment key, what's your enrollment key, is heart. Okay, so next part about our presentation. As we come here, you can join those two courses, and the next part is that I have to explain USOs. To be able to explain USOs, I must answer all those questions, but those questions will be answered not in this part, in the next movie. Thank you very much for listening. I hope to see you soon.